What's up guys, Romsicle here, and today we're doing another wireless earbud review, and today we're taking a look at the TRANYA B530 wireless earbuds. They feature touch controls, have over 60 hours of playback, and they have a noise cancelling microphone. So let's get right into the box. Just a few features that I wanted to go over is that it does use Bluetooth 5.0 and is rated at IPX5, which means it's dust and water resistant, not proof like the box says. Starting with the box, I just gotta say that they really put a bunch of money into the packaging. I haven't seen a box slide out this smooth with the tab since LV product unboxings. It's that satisfying. But anyways, inside we get a few stickers, a manual, an accessories box with a short micro USB cable, and 2 extra pairs of ear tips of varying sizes. And inside the protective foam is the charging case for those wireless earbuds. So starting off with the aesthetics, TRANYA has definitely gone above and beyond in terms of quality of this pair of earbuds. The case is very well built with a translucent top cover with magnets and a smooth soft touch plastic on the bottom portion. Just the aesthetics alone make you want to buy it. You have nicely cut out holes for the battery indicator LEDs, a clear-cut micro USB port, and the overall look is just great. And moving inside, we have the earbuds along with the left and right indicators. To me, these earbuds look similar to the Galaxy Buds, with the glossy top coating matched with the soft matte coating on the bottom. The TRANYA logo is only visible through the earbuds, and it's such a simple design you wouldn't even think it was a logo. The earbuds do look a little big, but in the ears it doesn't protrude out excessively, which is good. We have the microphone on the inside of the ear while having a single LED indicator at the bottom. The ear tips are also easy to pull off, and inside we have a basic mesh layer. And what's great is that these earbuds are also magnetic, so once you pop them into their little slots, they'll slide in just perfectly, and there's a little bit of wiggle room, but even if you shake the case, they won't fall out, which is great. As for controls, there are no buttons because this is a completely touch-sensitive panel. Tapping once will play and pause your music, tapping twice will increase or decrease the volume, and holding the button down for 2 seconds will move the track backward or forward. Connectivity is simple, but it may cause a little bit of confusion. First, take one earbud out and its LED should start flashing to indicate that it wants to pair. Take your device and pair it. Then take the other earbud out and it should automatically sync together. For Samsung, it may prompt you to connect the second one as well, but basically once one of them is connected, both are connected, and there should be some voice prompts saying if it's pairing and when it's connected or disconnected. As for battery life, it's great to have 8 hours of continuous use per charge, along with an extra 56 hours through the case. And what's great is that if you charge it for only 10 minutes, you can get another hour in of listening time. In terms of audio quality, they're great. They have really nice highs and a good kick of bass, and moderate mid frequencies. The audio clarity is also really nice to have, so sound performance is definitely not an issue with these earbuds. And not to mention that the volume control is actually separate from the device you're connecting, so technically you'll have double the volume, so volume is also not a problem. In terms of the quality of the noise cancellation mic, I'll let you guys be the judge of that. So right now we're just recording with the B530's in-ear microphone directly into the computer, so it might sound a little different when you're on your phone because of compression rates and whatnot, but this is exactly what you're going to hear. So for me, I feel like there's a lot of background noise that you can hear. And for some reason when you're talking, there's a little bit buzzing noise. Not sure if it's a faulty pair, but this is somewhat of what you're going to get. As for issues, there aren't any major ones, which is really good. However, my first critique is that the case's lid is made of a glossy material, which means it's more prone to scratching. I've literally had this for about a week now, and it's already showing lots of signs of scratching, and it's not very pleasing to the eye, and it kind of defeats the purpose of the manufacturer making it so beautiful with this gloss material, along with this matte rubber finish on the bottom. In my opinion, I think it would be better if this was lidless, or it had a completely matte lid cover. My second critique is more of a personal opinion, but I feel like the case is a little more bulky on the B530. Using my QCY QS1s as a reference, both these wireless earbuds have the same amount of battery life, but one is significantly smaller than the other. So I feel like they didn't really need to use this much space, but that's just my personal preference. I always prefer a more compact size, and especially something without a lid definitely saves a lot of space. My third critique might be a big issue, but it might just be my faulty pair. So I like to sleep and listen to music at the same time, so I keep my earbuds in and I fall asleep. But for some reason, after a few days, my right earbud's volume was much lower than the left volume. And the only way I could fix this was go into my devices and pan the music to the right side so that it would be more centered. But at the highest volumes, it still wouldn't fix this issue, and this is kind of weird because I would not expect to have this issue with a pair of $50 earphones, let alone a $20 pair of earphones with my QCY QS1s. I've been doing that with my QCY QS1s for quite some time, and I've never had this issue, so I don't know why it's happening to the B530s. And my last critique I feel like is going to be the big one that's going to deter people from buying this pair of earbuds. The touch controls are a bit counterintuitive. Sure, volume increase is really nice on earbuds because it's a feature that not many wireless earbuds offer, but I feel like holding your finger on your earbuds for 2 seconds in order to change the track is really slow. The purpose of having controls on your earbuds is so that you can quickly change your settings, play, pause, move forward, and move back a track. But if that's delayed, it's not really helping the situation. Changing the volume of your earbuds is very simple because you can use your device with the 2 protruding buttons and change the volume up and down. But if you were to do track changing, you have to go into your device and you have to literally look at your phone in order to do that. So my recommendation to the company is to change the double tap back to the track changing instead of using it as volume. Volume is already super easily accessible through our devices, and it's not really necessary to put it on our earbuds, even though it would be a cool feature. But overall, it's a nice pair of wireless earbuds. You're getting great audio quality, you're getting good battery life, touch controls featuring volume control despite how counterintuitive it actually is, and a noise cancelling microphone. All for the small price of $50. And if you're interested, links are going to be in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.